Hey guys, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I got a package in the mail today, and it says YouTube. So I'm guessing this is something I've been waiting for a while. Let us see. I hope it's $1 million. Well, Melanie, what do we have here? It says YouTube. Big box from YouTube. Thought I was done with my knife. Melanie's standing there anxiously watching. Okay. There's a letter. Okay. It says, "You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel." And it's a whole letter here, which maybe I'll copy and put on my channel for everybody to see later. I think Melanie's more anxious than I am. She wants to see it. Well guys, congratulations on passing 100,000 subscribers. It's shiny. Wow, look at that. It finally came, everybody. The silver play button, and every one of you was there for it all. I want to thank you for being there, everybody who supported me, all those who followed me through thick and thin and who are still there today. I want to thank you all for being there. You all made this possible. Thank you. Melanie. We're gonna hang this up. So, I've got some things here I'm going to start giving out, and I'm going to finish a couple reviews, and then I'm going to be sending out some packages, and now the 1 year of celebration begins. So every month from now on, I'll be sending stuff out to you guys. So watch for the fun stuff to come, and the activities, and the year to come. Talk to you later. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. It's been a long road, everybody. It's been a long road. It's very shiny. Good night, everybody. And baby got a box. Yeah, baby. She's happy. She got a box.